Hey, hi everyone. Hi friends. Hi everyone. So in this series, we are going to start with how Netflix system recommendation work. Okay. So imagine, have you guys ever wondered about this thing कि Netflix के ऊपर अगर आप जा रहे हो and Netflix recommend new movies to you, right? Suppose if you watch Game of Thrones movies, if you watch Game of Thrones series, how does Netflix recommends the same movie which is related to Game of Thrones? Or for an example, if you watch Oppenheimer movie and in the next on the next very next day your Netflix will recommend a movie which is very similar to the Oppenheimer movie, right? So how does it works? What is the background behind this thing? So it works because of Netflix has a very strong recommendation system. Correct. So in this session, what we are going to do is we are going to learn about what a recommendation system is, how Netflix learns from viewing behavior, simple AI and data science behind magic. We'll also learn how to predict what you will love watching next, and we'll see why Netflix feels unique or why Netflix feels uniquely personal to you. So these are all the agenda that we have for this particular session. Okay, so I'll repeat one more time what we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss about the what is recommendation system, how Netflix learns from your viewing behavior, simple AI and data science behind the magic, how it predicts what you will love watching the next, and why Netflix feels uniquely personal to you. Okay, so let us get started. So, what is recommendation system, guys? What is recommendation system? Do you have any idea about it? What does recommendation system do? So, recommendation system, think of it as a movie matchmaker that knows your test. Think of it as a movie matchmaker that knows your test. So it's like your digital matchmaker. You go to Bumble, right? You go to any other application like uh, anything like Lovable. So there, what you do is you find your match, right? Or you go to shadi.com. There, what you do is your parents want you to get married, so you find a good girl and you search it over there. And if you personally like the girl which is present in that particular profile, you will go ahead and basically it matches your profile, right? So in the same way Netflix recommendation system work. So we can call it as digital matchmaker, yes or no? This is your digital matchmaker. So think of it as a movie matchmaker that knows your taste. तो आपको क्या पसंद है, आपका कौन सा मूवीज पसंद है, आपको कौन से सीरीज पसंद है, आपको कौन सा एक्टर पसंद है, it will give you suggestions based on your personal choice. So suggest the right title at the right time. It suggests the right title at the right time. It learns from your test, curates the menu just for you. And the goal is to, you don't have to search it. You don't have to spend time, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour on just Netflix recommend or on just Netflix to watch which movie we should watch. So it should be less searching, it should be more watching, and you should be able to enjoy it. Correct. Now the next is personalization on Netflix. What it does. Personalization on Netflix. What it does basically. So we we have orders rows like top picks for you. So it arranges content categorization based on your preferences. It chooses which titles to show first. So वो chose भी करता है कौन सा prioritize करना है content, कि आपको कौन सा content पसंद आएगा. It will prioritize content just like you so that you'll enjoy it up to the mark and you will be spending a lot of time on that so that they'll get profit. Obviously, why Netflix is doing this thing? Because they want a profit, right? So row organization, smart ranking है हमारे पास. We have thumbnail selection, so we also get the thumbnail which is best suitable, जो attractive लगेगा. Then you have personal curation also. So it picks thumbnails. It thinks you कि ये thumbnail मैंने अगर दिया तो I'll be clicking on that particular thumbnail only. It selects visual that match your viewing style. It ranks continue watching, and because you have watched Game of Thrones, तो आपको अलग Game of Thrones जैसा सीरीज सजेस्ट करेंगे. So it gives ranking based on continue watching, and because you have watched some movie, उसके basis पे it will give you ranking. Now the data Netflix uses, it uses some simple signals. So what you watched, when did you watch, it tracks your viewing history. It tracks your viewing history. तो जो आपने देखा है वो ट्रैक करेगा, वॉच ड्यूरेशन ट्रैक करेगा, फिनिश एंड स्टॉप अर्ली, मतलब फॉर एन एग्जांपल इफ आई एम वाचिंग हैंगओवर मूवी एंड आई ओनली हैव वॉच इट फॉर 30 मिनट्स, अगर मैंने सिर्फ वो 30 मिनट्स वॉच किया, तो इट विल हैव अ पैटर्न कि हाँ, इफ आई एम वॉचिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर गाय, जहाँ पे एक पर्टिकुलर एक्टर है बेन एफ्लेक है सपोज, तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच इट फॉर फुल टाइम, मैं सिर्फ 30 मिनट्स ही वॉच कर रहा हूँ. सो इट फाइंड्स अ पैटर्न, it recognize a pattern. Okay, and then it will suggest according to that. So suppose if I'm going to watch another movie, उसमें बेन एफ्लेक एक्टर रहेगा, तो वो सिर्फ 30 मिनट्स और 40 मिनट्स मुझे सजेशन करेगा, उसके बाद में वो सजेशन नहीं करेगा. So that is how it happens. It also searches rating, it gives my list, it records what you have searched, how you rate titles and add items that is saved to your list. Rewatches and interactions भी वो monitor करता है, so it monitor pauses where you are pausing it. For an example, if I really like a movie, I'll not pause it. मैं pause करूंगा क्या? I'll not do that. So it also records कि आपने क्या search किया है, आपने title क्या दिया है, आपने save list में कौन से item select किए. Then again you rewatches an interaction, you it monitor pauses, fast forward करता है वो, and interaction with thumbnails and rows also is over there. And last but not the least, you have device time and profile. So आपने वो आपको consider करता है context like device type. Are you on phone or are you on laptop or are you using MacBook or iPad? Time of the day भी वो अच्छे से observe करता है. It also observes time of the day and it keeps separate profiles distinct. So it is going to take separate profile. So मेरे account में for example I have a profile for me, for my brother, for my sister, for my father, for my mother. So it is going to consider that context also. Correct? Now the next is AI and machine learning in simple terms. So what is AI? We are going to break down the technical jargons into very simple terms, which is acting as a bridge for Netflix. So we have algorithm. It is acting as a recipe for a computer which follows a step by step. We have machine learning, it the recipe which improves with feedback over a time. And we do have a pattern which is like finding look-alike viewers and similar shows. And we have model, that is a model on which we trained our Netflix recommendation system. So वो model भी रहेगा वहाँ पे. So a trained helper, what is model? It is a trained helper that scores which titles you will love. And the next is how it learns from your behavior. So it will find the movies that you watch. It will find the movies that you watch. Yes. Then it is going to collect the data. It is going to collect the data from the movies that you have watched. AI उसको analyze करेगा. AI will analyze it. Then system adapt करेगा. So system will adapt what you have watched and AI analyze किया है. It is matching correctly or not. It will pick better movies for you and you react. And that's how things happen in Netflix, guys. That's how things happens in Netflix. So every action is a signal. You play, you skip, you pause, you rewind, or you linger. Each behavior tells the system what you like. Then it also notices the feedback that you're going to give. So it watch time speaks louder than rating. So watch time कौन सा है? Suppose if I am watching movies for full time, 3 hours or 2 hours. So it will also notice that watch time. Then it is going to give explicit feedback. It is going to guide us. So thumbs up, thumbs down, adding to my list, favorite list, or rating the title. It will help my recommendation system to give my recommendation better. And it is kind of continuous feedback loop. So you recommend, you react, it recommends, you react, system learns, it adapts, and it gives a better recommendation. Now, how predictions are made? What's the behind the scene? What is happening behind the scene? So people like you, so this is your data, it will have an eye, it will observe similar users as compared to you. So suppose if I'm watching movies in which Ritik Roshan is there, मैं ऋतिक रोशन के movies watch करो. So there will be some guys, there will be some guy like A, there will be some guy like B, C. These guys will also like Ritik Roshan, so they'll also watch the same movies. So वो क्या करेगा? द गाइज हु वॉचेस ऋतिक रोशन उनके मूवीज को सर्च करेगा वो. एंड अगर कंटेंट मैच हो रहा है, इफ द कंटेंट इज मैचिंग, then it is going to give you the recommendation, and then it gives it rank titles and it picks. So how it happens is, suppose if I like watching Hrithik Roshan in movies, it will find the same person who are watching Hrithik Roshan in the movies. एंड वो पर्सन ऋतिक रोशन के मूवीज देख रहे और वो पर्सन कौन से मूवीज देख रहे, इट इज गोइंग टू गिव सजेशन टू मी based on those movies which these people are watching. So suppose those people जिनको ऋतिक रोशन पसंद है, they are watching ZNMT, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, they are watching कोई मिल गया, right? So it is going to suggest the same movies to me. So suppose if I watch war movies in which ऋतिक रोशन is there, तो मुझे वो क्रिश मूवी सजेस्ट करेगा, मुझे वो कोई मिल गया सजेस्ट करेगा, मुझे वो मूवी सजेस्ट करेगा जिसमें ऋतिक रोशन है, राइट? And that's how recommendation works in an action. So after watching 3 space shows, system recommends more sci-fi films titles plus a trending hit in a similar genre to expand your horizon. So suppose if I'm watching sci-fi movies, so sci-fi, it is going to, based on the watching history, it is going to suggest a new movies which is sci-fi only. It also kid friendly, so it has safe content. So you also have a profile where you can only give content to kid, so it will not have any material which kid should not watch. That is how it is going to happen. So it is family safely, it is kid friendly, it also has safe content for kid, it gives you quick personalization, it gives you personalized artwork, and it is dynamic. It also is dynamic adaptation for your evolving preferences. So that's how it happens. Why it matters and tips to tune yours. So that is going to be our last discussion in this series. In this series, we are going to discuss how recommendation system works. So I'll come up with another video where we are going to see in details. Then we'll see a practical stuff. We'll do some coding. We'll build a recommendation system and we'll try to deploy that in an environment. So this is first video of this series. Why does it matter? It saves time by surfacing the right content instantly. So no endless scrolling. You don't have to scroll, right? You do not have to waste your time, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You don't have to find key. I need to watch this movies or I need to watch this movies. No. Netflix is going to give us the recommendation. Second is it discover hidden gems you wouldn't have found on your own. So suppose if I like watching Hrithik Roshan movies again, it is going to give me the same Hrithik Roshan movies which I am going to like. And that is not a magic. It happens with the help of machine learning and AI, right? It creates a home screen made only uniquely for you, specially for you, not one size fits all. So if I'm watching, let's say, a war movie in which Hrithik Roshan is there, it is going to suggest Koi Mil Gaya. It is going to suggest lots of good movies in which Hrithik Roshan has acted very well, right? And it keeps weaving effortless and enjoyable with spot on predictions. So, how to improve? Any tips do we have to improve recommendation? Yes, you should create separate profiles for separate people. So, if I like watching any other actor, same thing will not happen with my brother, or same thing will not happen with my friend, right? So, you should create different profiles for different people. Yes, and based on that, it keeps test distinct for my family members. You should rate with thumbs up, thumbs down, so that it will help my system recommendation to understand my preferences. And last but not the least, it add titles to my list. So signals what you want to watch later. So suppose if I want to watch something, some movie later on, so I'm going to go there, I'm going to select watch later option, and it is going to give me the output. And that things will start very easily, things will move very easily. I'll go to watch later section and I'm going to press that watch later and I'm going to watch that movies which I wanted to watch it very later, and finish what you start. So suppose if you are watching a movie, please finish that, so only your Netflix recommendation system will be able to understand कि कौन सा movie मुझे recommend करना है. So that's what we have, guys. We are going to, you know, have this series of Netflix recommendation. This was a one part, first part. Second part is something like which we are going to do in deep, like Netflix में actually क्या होता है. We are going to see non-negative matrix factorization in second videos of this particular series. And in third video, we are going to discuss the practical implementation of this project. So with that being said, I will take your leave, guys. Thank you, everyone, and happy learning. Bye. Take care.